Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Today I want to be checking out this mini Asus Intel Atom system. I love mini PCs, man, and the price that they go for. Now, this was $35 shipped, and it didn't have a hard drive, RAM, or power, or antenna, but I just happen to have all of those things, so I want to check it out. I want to take it to its limit, see how far that this unit can be pushed. It is about 8 years old. 8-year-old technology having HDMI. Now, in order to open this, you just got to take all the screws out of the back and then push forward, and you will get the bottom off of it. One sec. There we go. Okay, so as you can see here, I have this unit updated a little bit. You get the 4-core Intel Atom, and those aren't hyper-threading at all. Those are legitimately 4 cores. And then you got a GeForce GT 610, which is very old. So I did get Windows 10 installed on here. I haven't had time to give it too much of a tryout, but let's get together and give it a thorough shot. We got two USB 3.0, we got Ethernet, HDMI, VGA, and yeah, power. And then over here in the front we have 4 USBs. I wonder why they don't have any USB 3.0 in the front. And then we have SD, all of that fun stuff, the SD card slot. Anyways, let's give her a test. Alright, so we got her plugged in, we got her updated, and she's idling around 100% basically all the time. Got 4 gigs of RAM in here, SSD, and as you can see, we have the Intel Atom, the GeForce 610, 4 gigs, and I can't get anything to run on this. Like, I can't say anything, but I can't get any of my games to run on this. I can't even get Doom 2 to run on this thing, man. Doom 2. That's sad. This is the first system I've run into where I couldn't run Doom 2 off of it. So you guys know that I always like to run a pass mark benchmark, but I just can't finish this benchmark. It crashes part way through, which of course is a bad sign, but at least I can get a DirectX 9 test done off of it. So yeah, that's about as good as it gets. 3 frames per second. Really pushing the limits of possibility here. Oh wow, okay, so this is the first time I've managed to make it in to a DirectX 10 test. Alright, maybe we can go all the way. So here we can see it's trying to do DirectX 11. And this is where we get our crash in. Oh my goodness, it's actually making it at 0.13 frames per second. Let me shut off that light. You guys can see how good this is. Look at that beautiful rendering detail. Oh, we're up to 1.32 frames per second, guys. Yes, we will pull through. You know what? Maybe I'll get maybe I will get Grand Theft Auto working on this after all. Now that I know that this works. Yeah, so we just bypassed DirectX 12. So of course, there's no way they're gonna get Fortnite working on this sucker. Alright, into the trippy psychedelic part of the test. My goodness, I actually managed to get 279. That's amazing. I didn't think I would. I tried this twice, and twice the thing crashed. The only difference now is, actually, I put 2 loonies on the heat pipe. Maybe that had something to do with it. Here, let me show you. As you can see, I got the 2 coins on that heat pipe, and that definitely keeps her cooler. I don't know what's different about it now. I couldn't get this stuff to work. Maybe I should try some of those games now. Okay, so I've managed to get this far before. You'll notice that it doesn't have the typical background. Yeah, let's just see if we can actually get into anything. This is where it hangs and freezes for me. Nah, looks like it's not gonna work. I mean, if I can't get Doom 2 working on it, what good is it? And that brings me to the thing. The one great thing that you can do with this is play video with. So this might not do 4K, but it ably plays most videos, I find. So yeah, YouTube, Twitter, email. This is the kind of thing that seriously, if you just really needed something for your grandma to do these basic things, this unit will ably do that for you. Unfortunately, it will not play Doom. So yeah, now that I've done a full review, is this the kind of thing the average user can use? I definitely say no. Now, if you got a grandmother that just does Facebook, and when I say that, I mean seriously, just does Facebook, YouTube, maybe watches a few videos, and is a very patient individual, you could get this working for them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be giving this to a little girl that loves her Disney movies and has cut cable at their place. So got a USB drive here full of non-pirated Disney movies, of course, because who would pirate? Nobody would. Anyways, and this can play those movies, and that'll fill her life with joy. And that's what I'm going to be doing with it. But that is about all that you can do with this. I wouldn't get any older. No, just don't get any older. Don't go for this and expect your users to be having a good time. If you're paying somebody money, get them a better system to work on than this. Anyways, discrete graphics, that's right, GeForce 610, flexible placement. You can put this thing almost anywhere. Look at the size of this. USB 10 or USB 3. Yep. Full HD 1080. Yep. Energy savings. Definitely. So that's what we got going on here, ladies and gentlemen. This is a cute little system, but I wouldn't be running out the door to get it. But as far as a mini system goes, this thing's pretty cool. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for me. Never from NES Tech. But like and subscribe if you like this stuff. It's always appreciated. And as always, folks, take care of each other, eh?